Hey loves, in today's video I will be trying out some new products from Remi Rose Cosmetics. This brand is available at the 99-cent store and Dollar Tree. I did haul these items in my last What's in My Purse video, and on that video, Rican Lady commented asking me to do a review on these products. So thank you, Rican Lady, for requesting this video. I am highlighting my brow bone with the Amuse Single Shadow in the shade Creme using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. For today's makeup look, I will be using my 5 Bowl 35E Bright Eyeshadow Palette. I am starting off by using this dark purple. I am applying the shadow in and slightly above the crease of my eye using my e.l.f. eye crease brush. Now I am using the Beauty Accents Blending Eyeshadow Brush to soften the edge of the shadow. I am using the AOA Studio E113 to apply the Remi Rose shadow in the shade Kinsley to the outer 2/3 of my lid. With my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush, I am applying the Remi Rose shadow in the shade Juliet to the remainder of my lid. I am highlighting my brow bone with a shimmery champagne eyeshadow by LA Colors using my AOA Studio E124. I use the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. Now I'm sharpening my wing and cleaning up excess shadow with my concealer. I wanted to add a little sparkle to this look, so I am using the Magic Collection glitter eyeliner in silver, and I'm applying it right where those two shadows on the lid meet. I'm going to try out the new LA Colors Extreme Volume Volumizing Mascara that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I really liked this mascara. I feel that the curved applicator helped to keep my lashes curled. This is the Remi Rose Leslie Lash. This is a plastic lash. Lightweight, very wispy. The band was easy to manipulate and mold to my lid. I am lining my waterline with the black Nicka K eye pencil. For my lower lash line, I will be applying this dark pink. I am using my AOA Studio E115. I am blending out the edge of that eyeshadow with my Start Mini Blending Brush. To complete my eye makeup, I am taking that same LA Colors shadow that I used on my brow bone and applying it to the inner corner of my eye with the AOA Studio E124. This is my completed eye makeup. I love how this look came together. It is perfect for the upcoming fall season because of the dark tones. The Remi Rose single shadows worked amazingly on the lid. They have great pigmentation and a soft texture. The last product that I will be trying out by Remi Rose is their liquid lipstick in the shade Brooke. I am not a fan of this liquid lipstick. It went on patchy and it had an uneven color even after 2 layers. The formula was dry but comfortable. I feel that LA Colors has a better liquid lipstick formula that is also available for $1, and their products are sold at Dollar Tree and Family Dollar. Their lashes in the style Leslie were nice. They're a nice simple style of lash. They are very wispy and I do like the length. However, I prefer much more volume in my lashes, even for daily wear. But they are okay and they have a workable band if you're learning how to apply lashes. Out of the Remi Rose products that I tried in today's video, their single shadows are definitely my favorite. I love the pigmentation and the texture. They were very easy to work with. All of the products that I used will be in the description. Thank you again, Rican Lady, for requesting this video. If you have a video that you would like me to film, let me know in a comment below. And until next time, bye loves!